down the line round the net post option would be on. And he nailed it. We just need to learn a bit of Spanish.
We do, because...
Hablo español. Ahead of today.
Yeah, and in terms of ranking spots, this is Cerundolo is so good in these longer rallies. And you can see how
lovely change-up from Cerundolo. We saw the drop shot come into action quite a bit yesterday, certainly from Casper Ruud when he was up against Cerundolo, but long old rally, and it goes the Frenchman's way.
14. Quarter complete.
There it is.
Humbert wins the first quarter,
off to the perfect
16-10.
start. 1 quarter to love. He leads this match. To work a little bit harder than that of his opponent. Just over a second more. Because Cerundolo coming up with shots like...
Oh, that is a magnificent return by Humbert.
5-2.
So good from Humbert. Perfect change of direction, took the ball so early, cut off the angle, just gave his opponent no time.
adelante.
As he was pushed wide, the down the line round the net post option would be on, and he nailed it. Oh, that's such a good shot, literally.
Quarter complete.
It stays at 1 for now.
Humbert wins the second quarter,
Very
14-12.
impressive indeed. Oh yes. Oh yes indeed.
1-0.
Once again, Francisco Cerundolo making the miraculous happen. Wow. Not a bad start to this quarter.
Oh, that's such a good shot. The amount of movement on that ball.
9-6-0.
Dipped in right in time.
It's worked all day long, hasn't it? When he's got to it, maybe a bit more.
10-6-0.
We've had so many baseline exchanges. It comes as a surprise.
With a cracking backhand cross-court winner.
Humbert is using his
He's kind of
bonus
woken
count.
up at the right time.
He certainly has. Look at this, one more time.
Play.
Not just a forehand.
Just to love down.
I do indeed. His UTS debut.
Oh, so good this time from Humbert.
Tell us what happened, Jenny. Oh. I don't think Francisco Cerundolo has ever won a point quite like that.
Cerundolo wins the third quarter.
Rain then. Playing a lot indoors.
That's great play from Humbert. Pulled him so wide with that serve.
And our venue host, Marcus, loving it, having a party of their own right there. That one as well. Cat and mouse. It seems Cerundolo is apologising for everything. Look at that for product placement. Get your copy now. Champion mindset by Patrick Mouratoglou.
I believe the man himself is going to be joined.
That is perfect from Cerundolo, playing it late. He sees the position of Hugo there. He's gone long.
Match complete.
There we have it.
Humbert wins
Hugo Humbert. It's 2 from 2. And finally, Francisco Cerundolo has been defeated in UTS.